In today's video, I will walk you through how to short Ethereum on Deribit using dated futures contracts. To begin, log into your Deribit account. From the top navigation menu, hover over Futures and select Dated. Once you're on the dated futures market, choose your preferred settlement currency from the side panel. Select EH if you want to trade inverse futures that are settled in EHE, or choose USDC if you want to trade linear futures that are settled in USDC. Next, select the expiration date for the contract you want to trade by choosing one of the available tabs, such as ETH25SEP26. Dated futures expire on the date shown in the contract ticker. If you keep your position until that date, it will settle automatically at the final settlement price, without the ongoing funding fees associated with perpetual swaps. Now locate the order form panel, which is usually pinned to the side of your dashboard. Choose your preferred margin type. You can select cross margin if you want your entire available coin balance to be shared as collateral. You can also choose isolated margin if you want the risk of this specific position to be limited to the initial margin you allocate. After selecting the margin type, set your preferred leverage using the leverage slider. You can choose a multiplier such as 2 times, 5 times, or 10 times. Keep in mind that higher leverage moves your liquidation price closer to the current market price, so use a leverage level that fits your trading plan. Next, complete the short order form. Start by selecting the order type. Choose a limit order if you want to enter the exact maximum price at which you are willing to open the short position. This places your order into the order book until the market reaches your selected price. If you want the order to execute immediately at the best available bids, choose a market order instead. After selecting the order type, enter the quantity for your trade. If you are trading inverse futures settled in ETH, enter the position size as a USD value. For example, entering 5,000 represents $5,000 worth of ETH contracts, while the margin and profit or loss are handled in ETH. If you are trading inverse futures settled in USDC, enter the position size directly as a whole or fractional amount of ETH. When everything is ready, click the red sell or short button. Carefully review the confirmation window and pay close attention to the estimated liquidation price. If everything looks correct, click Confirm to submit the order. Once your order has been filled, it will appear under the Positions tab at the bottom of the screen. To protect the position, open the Trigger Orders tab and create a conditional stop market order. Enter a trigger price above your entry price but below your calculated liquidation price. If the market moves higher unexpectedly, the stop loss order will close the position before liquidation occurs. Thank you for watching.